Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. Shahi Tukda is one delicious bread pudding recipe, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a different version of it. Today, we'll see how to make Shahi Tukda Mousse using Rich's products. I believe this is one of the best desserts for the ongoing Ramzan month. If you're planning to host an Iftar party, you can easily make this recipe. I'm pretty sure everyone would ask you for the secret ingredient and the recipe of this Shahi Tukda Mousse. By the way, stay tuned to know how you can buy Rich's whipped topping and other products online as well. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need some whipped topping. Here I've got Rich's Niagara Farms, which is a premium whipped topping with dairy cream blended in it to provide a delectable creamy taste. It also comes with an exquisite texture and smooth dairy mouthfeel. You guys always ask me which whipped topping I have used, and the answer is Rich's. I have been using Rich's since I started this channel. They have a variety of whipped topping and other products. Now you can buy them online. They also have other products in their range like vegan whipped topping, fruit fillings, gels and cooking cream. For this recipe we need 100 gram Rich's Niagara Farms. Make sure that the whipped topping is in a chilled state. Whip it till you get stiff peaks. Start whipping the cream at medium speed and then increase the speed. Set it aside in your refrigerator. Now let's move to the next step. For this recipe we need 10 to 12 slices of bread. I'm using white bread, you may use brown bread. Take a cookie cutter and remove a circle like this, a disc shape from the bread. If you do not have a cookie cutter, you can use a steel container's lid. So here I've got a few slices. Now let's move to the next step. Heat some ghee in a kadhai or a pan. Once the ghee becomes hot, add the bread disc and deep fry till it becomes golden brown in color on both the sides. Shake off the excess ghee and the same way fry the remaining bread discs. Our fried bread for Shahi Tukda Mousse is ready. Take 2 teaspoons warm milk in a small bowl and add a few strands of saffron. Mix well and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Take a bowl and add 40 gram Mawa or Khoya. Next add the prepared saffron milk. Next we need 50 ml Rich's Sweetmate. This is a multi-purpose dessert base with a distinguished condensed milk-like taste. It's ideal for preparing delicious western desserts like tres leches, fusion cakes, etc. and Indian desserts like kheer, rasmalai, etc. It helps you create mouth-watering recipes and you can reimagine your classics by replacing sugar syrup with Sweetmate. Now whisk till all the 3 ingredients are well combined. The mixture has become smooth without any lumps. Now next step is to add the prepared whipped topping. Add the whipped Niagara Farms and gently fold using a spatula. This is going to be the Mawa cream for our Royal Tukda or Shahi Tukda Mousse. Look at the consistency, it looks perfect. If you do not plan to pipe it right away, please refrigerate it in the regular section of your refrigerator. To assemble, take a serving bowl and place a slice of fried bread and then pour Rich's Sweetmate. This will help moisten the fried bread. Now pipe the prepared Mawa cream. You can use rose petal tip or you can use round tip or you can pipe your favorite design. Next add some slices of pistachios. Place a second layer of fried bread and pour Rich's Sweetmate. Again pipe the prepared Mawa cream. Garnish the Royal Tukda or Shahi Tukda Mousse with some pistachios, saffron strands and silver or gold Varq. Do check out the link given in description box to explore Rich's entire range and buy their products online. You can serve this Royal Tukda or Shahi Tukda Mousse right away or you can set these in your refrigerator. The combination of Mawa cream with fried bread and Rich's Sweetmate is just out of this world. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!